Hello everyone, my name is Shafiq and I will teach you React from the beginning to an advanced level. In this tutorial, I will teach you what is React, who uses React, salary information of React developers, and whether it will be in demand in future or not. So what is React.js? React.js is a front-end JavaScript library for building fast and interactive user interfaces for web and mobile applications. It was developed at Facebook in 2011 by Jordan Waki, however it was announced in 2013. React can be used as a base in the development of single-page applications or mobile applications. As you can see on Stack Overflow trends, React is by far the most popular front-end library and continues to grow faster in coming years. If you see on Google Trends, React is on top and dominating other front-end libraries or frameworks that are also used for building user interfaces. I have added a comparison with Angular and Vue.js that are most popular front-end frameworks or libraries. You can also do this by visiting this link given in the description and compare for past 5 years or past hour or past 90 days or what you would use Slack. Over the last 5 years, React have more NPM downloads than any other front-end library or framework. The links are also given in the description so you can also check online and compare with any front-end framework or library. An estimated number of 8,787 industry leaders currently use React.js. Among some of the most powerful are Airbnb, Facebook, Uber, Netflix, Instagram, WhatsApp, BBC, Twitter, and Reddit. This assures the developers that React promised the long-term solution and is not going to die sooner or later. Thanks to its open source nature, you can download the whole source code, modify it for your needs, and even share your changes to the worldwide. If you look into the salary information of React developer, according to the ZipRecruiter, the average React.js developer salary in USA is $121,992 per year or $62.56 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $65,000 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $171,000 per year. Indeed calculated the JavaScript salary standing at $1.1 million per year or $47.01 per hour. Furthermore, it depends on country and experience. If you type in Google Angular developer jobs, it results 1,74 lakhs Angular developer jobs, while it shows result of 1,18 lakhs for Vue.js developer jobs. Now type React.js developer jobs and you will see the highest number of jobs in Google result that are 3,66 lakhs. So if you are planning to kickstart your career as a JavaScript developer or web developer, I will strongly recommend to learn React to land a high-paid job. Let's learn what is actually React and why it is so popular these days. Let's repeat what is React.js. React is the most popular front-end JavaScript library in the field of web development, which means it is a client-side JavaScript library and the JavaScript code runs in the browser of the visitors. It is used for building fast and interactive user interfaces for web and mobile applications. It is an open source component-based front-end library. You may be wondering that what are user interfaces, what are components, why and how it is faster than any other framework or library. Let me explain one by one. What are user interfaces? If you have ever visited a web page, you may have seen something like this, where page is divided into different sections like header section, sidebar section, footer section, and main content area. This is only a high-level component breakdown, but it can go deeper and allow the ability to create subsections and further subsections. And in React, we call these sections as components or subcomponents. Now if you see on high level, we have four main components here: header component, sidebar component, footer component, and main content component, which can further be divided into small reusable components. Let's visit any web page like Facebook and see components hierarchy. If you see, we have different components like top bar component, sidebar component, main content area, and a right side component. The left side component is further divided into small reusable components like friends component, memories component, the pages component, groups, marketplace components. And if you click on memories component, the memory component is further divided into two main components. The one is the left bar and the other is main content area, and here we don't have a right side component. So the left bar component is further divided into sub-component like notifications, hide people, hide dates, and it can further be divided into sub-components, and that is component beauty. You can use any component anywhere in the application during development, and that's why we call it reusable components. For example, the notification components can be used anywhere in a top or a sidebar or anywhere in application. You write code once and you can reuse that component anywhere you want. Hope you understand what is React, and in the next lecture we will study about why we use React and what are the features of React. See you in the next lecture.